of St. Peter the Apostle School,
of St. Peter the Apostle School,
of the Manila Council,
of the Manila Council,
Troop number 791,
Troop number 791,
and outfit number 192,
and outfit number 192,
pledge to do my best.
pledge to do my best,
To prepare myself for the service to others,
to prepare myself for service to others,
especially to my Code Scouts.
especially to my Code Scouts.
I further pledge to live up to the Scout Oath and Law,
I further pledge to live up to the Scout Oath and Law,
Scout Motto,
Scout Motto,
and the Scout slogan of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines,
and the Scout slogan of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines,
to the best of my knowledge and ability.
to the best of my knowledge and ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Baba kamay! Now!
By the power vested upon me by the Boy Scouts of the Philippines as your school principal, I now welcome you all to the Scouting family, and may the Scouting spirit be with you always.